If heaven wasn't so far away, I'd pack up the kids and go for the day. Introduce them to their grandpa, watch them laugh at the way he talks. Find my long lost cousin John, the one we left back in Vietnam. Show him a picture of his daughter now. She's a doctor and he'd be proud. Tell him we'd be back in a couple days. In the rearview mirror we'd all be watching wave. Yeah, losing them wouldn't be so hard to take if heaven wasn't so far away. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play this awesome song by Justin Moore called If Heaven Wasn't So Far Away. This was a request I had recently, so I'm trying to get to him. Alright, so real quick, thank you so much for everyone who's subscribed lately. I really appreciate that. Appreciate your guys' comments, your song requests. Thanks so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. Really helps me know I'm helping you guys out, so I appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit subscribe and also hit the like button. I really appreciate that, so you can get notified when I come out with new videos, alright? Okay, let's get into it. Standard tuning capo on the 4th fret, alright? Then the chords for this song are generally very basic and easy, okay? So the main chords that you're going to use for this song, more than anything else, you're going to use G, and I think it's way easier if you use this G, by the way. So you're going to use G, and you're going to use Cadd9. If you don't know Cadd9 from my other videos, you put your ring finger on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo, and you put that your middle finger on the 3rd fret. Your ring finger goes on the B string, by the way. B string, 3rd fret. Then your pointer finger goes up there, okay, on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then you're going to put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, it'll sound like this. Now you can mute it with, like, if you touch the top string like that. You don't have to though, okay? So you're going to use Cadd9 as well. So that's going to be the majority of the song. You're also going to use D. All right. Now when I do it, I am muting the top. Now if you want to do D over F, what you can do is you can push it down. You don't have to do that. If it's a little bit hard, don't worry about it. Just mute it or just don't do it at all. Okay. So you can use D there, and then you're also going to use B-7. Okay, so B-7 is I put my middle finger on the 2nd fret, and remember this is all in relation to the capo. On the 2nd fret on the A string, and I put my ring finger on, if you can see that, I put that on the, these are all on the 2nd fret. On the 2nd fret on the G string, and then you're going to put your pinky, okay, that's hammer-ons and pull-offs. You're going to put that on the E string, the little E string, all right, on the 2nd fret. And that's B-7, okay? So you're going to use that. You're also going to use E-7, okay? So that's the easiest chord ever. You literally just put one finger. I like to use this one, but you put one finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and that's it. That's E-7, okay? So super easy. So those are all the chords you're going to need to use. Now I'm going to show you how you play the intro and the verses and stuff, okay? Intro, you're going to do G and Cadd9, and you're going to do that twice. You're going to go, so G, Cadd9. Then you're going to do that again. Cadd9. Okay, so that's how you do that. The strumming pattern for that is down, up, up, 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 down, up. Down, up, up, 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 down, up. Okay, and you'll do that and kind of stop. You don't have to mute it after that. You can. It's always a little bit more impressive to people if you do like the slaps, okay? Or like those mutes, okay? So, but you don't have to. So then when you go into the verse, so that's the intro. It's just G, Cadd9, G, Cadd9. When you are going from the chorus to the verses, to the next verse, you just do G, Cadd9 once. Just like that, same strumming pattern and everything, and you go into it. Now we're going to use that same strumming pattern for a part in the chorus, but let's get to the verse. So the verse, you're going to use G first. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do G, Cadd9 twice. And then you're going to go into some other chords. So you're going to do just down strums. Down, 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 down. Just like that, okay? So you're going to go, every day I drive to work across Flint River. So on Flint is where you do Cadd9. Flint River Bridge. 100 is where you do G. 100 yards from the spot where me and so me and is where you do C add 9, and Grandpa fished. Okay, so that's the 2 times that you do G, C add 9. Okay, then you're gonna go to D. All right, and I'm muting it, but you don't have to. Okay, I'm actually holding down the string, but you don't have to do that. Okay, so you're gonna do. There's a piece of his old fruit stand. So it's on, there's a piece is where you start doing it. There's a piece of his is where you do D. Piece of his old fruit stand. On the side of C add 9, side of Sawmill Road. So you do that twice. So the verses do the same thing in pairs, okay? So you do G, C add 9, you do that twice. Then you're gonna do D, C add 9 twice, okay? Then, so the second one would be D. He'd be there, so D is he. He'd be there peeling peaches if it was 20. So on 20 is where you do C add 9. 20 years ago. Okay, so then you're gonna go to B minor 7. All right. If the transition takes you a little bit, that's okay. Just practice it. All right. Just stick with it because it's not a super hard chord to do, but it'll just take a little bit of time. All right. It might. Okay. So then you're gonna do B minor 7, and you're just gonna strum it down, 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 down. Okay, just like you were before, but down, down, and you're not gonna sing yet. Okay, down, 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 down. And what I wouldn't give. So you do B minor 7, C add 9 again twice. All right. So B minor 7, strum, 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 strum. What I wouldn't give. Oops, sorry. Give is C add 9. Give. Okay, then B minor 7 again. All right. So you do strum, 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 strum to ride around in that old. Okay, so C add 9 is that old truck with him. So at the end of the verse, you're going to end it on that D. All right, him. All right. So the verses, the strumming pattern is incredibly easy. It's just down, 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 down. So down, 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 down. Just that down, 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 down. Okay, super easy. Now, when we go to the chorus, that's where you're going to do the intro verse strumming again. Okay, you're going to go, if heaven wasn't so far away. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, now the chord progression though is different. Okay, and it doesn't just do the same thing in pairs like the other one did. So you're going to start with G. So if heaven wasn't so far away, so it's if heaven, that's where you start doing it, is on heaven, okay? If heaven is where you do G, wasn't so far away, I'd pack a C add 9, pack up the kids and go for the day. So you do, when you do introduce, you're gonna do D. Introduce them to their grandpa. Watch, so we do watch them, that's C add 9. Watch him laugh at the way he talks. Okay, so then you repeat that. All right, so you do G, C add 9, D. Then, okay, and then C add 9. Then you're going to do G, C add 9, D, C add 9. So you do that part again twice. I think I kind of said you don't, but you do a little bit of the pairs thing. It's not exactly the same here. Okay, so then you do that second, after that second time running through that, then you're going to go to E minor 7, okay, where you do. And then this is where you just start strumming down, down, just like you were in the verses again, okay? And tell them, so you do E minor 7. And tell them is E minor 7 on tell. Tell them we'd be back. Back is D. Back in a couple days. Days is C add 9. So you're doing E minor, D, C add 9. Okay? You're actually going to do that, I think 3 times. Let's walk you through it. Tell them we'd be back, D, in a couple days. Okay, C add 9. In the rear view is where you do C, E minor 7. In the rear view mirror, we'd all, is where you do E minor, D. We'd all watch them wave. Wave is C add 9. Yeah, losing. Okay, so yeah, losing is E minor 7. Losing them wouldn't be. B is D. Be so hard to take. C add 9 is take. And you just do if heaven, so on heaven, if heaven was C add 9, if heaven wasn't so far, far is D, away. Okay, so away is G. And you do that same thing you did in the intro. The only other part of the song you need to know is the strumming pattern at the very, very end, all right? So it's just where he goes, if heaven wasn't so far, if heaven wasn't so far. He says it over and over. You just do Cadd9, if heaven wasn't so far, if heaven wasn't so far. So you do it 3 times. You're just doing Cadd9 D, Cadd9 D, Cadd9 D, and then on away you do G, way, and then you're just gonna go. You're just doing that same strumming as the intro, okay? That's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, and it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time.